Hey guys, my name is Manny. I got a couple requests to see how I played the song Put You On by my boy Benny. So decided to make a little video, show you how to do it. First of all, I keep my guitar in half step down. So normal tuning would sound like this, and half step sounds like this. Just a little lower. This is going to be the top string, next string. And also, this song just is easier to play in this tuning, so it actually makes a little more sense. But anyway, that first chord is a D minor. The intro goes like this. It's going to be the 5th fret on the 2nd string from the top, and then the 6th fret on the 2nd string from the bottom. So it's going to be this. And I use my thumb and my index finger to play that. And then the next chord is the 6th fret on the top string and 7th fret on the 3rd from the bottom. It's going to be this chord right here. And then the next chord is 5th fret and 5th fret. Same strings. And that's the progression, and the little licks. It sounds like this. So again, I play these two strings. The two strings in that first chord I'm playing at the same time. And I do a little slap just to add a little rhythm. You don't have to if you don't want to. Apparently that's not an acceptable thing to do outside of corrido music, but you know what? It's your guitar. Don't let anybody tell you what you can and can't do when it comes to music. Okay? So you just follow your heart and do what feels right. So if you feel like slapping those strings, you slap those strings, ma. Again, here it is slow. It's going to be that first chord, and then it's going to be on that 2nd string from the bottom. You're going to hammer on and pull off 5th to 6th fret, and then it's going to be the 7th fret on the 3rd from the bottom. So, and then 5, 6 on that 2nd from the bottom. The next part is 8th fret on the 2nd, and you're going to slide it to 10, and then back to 8, to 6, and you're going to hit that next chord, which is 7th fret on the 3rd from the bottom, and 6th fret on the top string. So again, it's going to be and then the next part is just the 6th fret to the 7th fret on that chord. And then the next chord, which is the 5th fret on the top, 5th fret, 3rd from the bottom. And then the next little part, you're going to do another one of those hammer-on pull-offs on the 5th to 7th. On the 3rd from the bottom, and then you're going to hit that 3rd from the top, and then 5 and 7 on that 3rd from the bottom again. So it's going to be, and then you start all over. The next part is essentially the same thing, the verses, except I play the full chord, which is a bar like this with your finger across the 5th fret from the 5th string, which is the 2nd from the top. And then you're going to use your ring and your pinky on the 7th fret of the 3rd from the top and the 4th from the top. So those two notes. And then you're going to add your middle finger to the 6th fret, 2nd from the bottom. And that is the D minor. So it's going to go. This next chord right here, same idea, but instead of down here, you move it up one and you scoot it over one. And I just hit the notes from the top string down to the bottom. And then I slide it over one and you take the middle finger off. And you hit that same lick. And I hit that bass note. And that is it. Plays that to the very end, fades out. So yeah, you're basically staying in this little box the whole time. But anyways, hope you learned something.